What's good, wealth builders? It's the man, it's the myth, the wealth builder himself, Devon Put in Work Burke. And today we're talking about what is the BRRRR investing method and how to use it. Let's see
that I'm on my grind is an understatement. Don't think I'm thinking you can check my bank statement. I'm about my money, yeah, that's a basic. World domination is what I'm truly facing.
Alright, before we get started, make sure you subscribe to the channel because we talk about making more money, saving more money, building a better you and business. So without further ado, let's get to the topic on hand. What is the BRRRR investing method and how you use it? Alright, so let's jump right into it, right? Let's jump into what the BRRRR investing method is and how you can use it. In real estate, first you buy the home through a loan. Next, you rehab the home to increase the value. Third, you rent the property to get some cash flow rolling. You know what I'm saying? Next, you refinance the loan. Then you repeat the steps all over again. That's what the BRRRR stands for, right? Sounds simple enough, but can we do this investing method in other industries? Like, can we do this method with cars? Right? Let's think about it. You buy a used car, you put $2,000 down, you put some tints on the car, and maybe an upgraded sound system, even some rims, then rent the car out on sites like Turo. And once the car starts to bring in some income, you finance your loan so you can pay less monthly, right? And basically you gotta buy the vehicles in your business name. That's so you can use the car as collateral to purchase another one. Then rinse, wash, repeat the process. You can actually do this investing method with websites too, right? I know you're saying to yourself, how can you do this with websites? First, you buy the website that is already somewhat built up in a certain niche. Now maybe this website needs some tweaking and some alterations here and there, and maybe put some advertisements on it to get some more traffic. Then you rent the website to other companies, but they don't want to build up a website, but they want the traffic, right? You refinance the cost of the purchase of the website by moving your credit card balance to another credit card with a lower APR. And as you start to make money, you pay down the balance of the card, and then you repeat the process on purchasing the next website. Now, these are just 3 different examples of using the BRRRR method to investing. The BRRRR method of investing. Can you think of some ways to use the BRRRR method of investing? If so, leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to check out the Wealth Builder System to Financial Freedom. The link is in the description. It's the man, it's the myth, the wealth builder himself. The fun, put in work, Burke. Signing off for what is the BRRRR investing method and how to use it. Do remember, wealth builders, make more, save more, build more. Peace.
It's the Wealth Builders, baby.
You having fun, Mama?
I popped in my bubble. Wait.
Uh-oh, no, you dropped it again. Let Daddy get it, okay?